Brothers and sisters, today we are going to show you the making of that holy part of a truck, without which the truck driver can get a direct one-way ticket to heaven. Yes, we are talking about the legendary brake drum. Look at these champions working in the workshop. The heat here is so intense that if you put a raw roadie on this metal, it will turn into a fireball within 2 seconds. If you want to save your own brakes in life, watch this video till the very end, because today, heavy machinery meets extreme jugaad. All right, look at this. They are melting pure scrap iron in the furnace. The iron is melting exactly like a human brain melts during the peak of summer. Look at that glowing red liquid pouring out. Brother, let me warn you, this is not strawberry shake or lava cake juice, so please do not try to drink it. The speed and energy of these workers is unbelievable. They are moving around this dangerous molten metal so casually, it looks like they are running after the best food plate at a Desi wedding party. One wrong step and boom. But these legends don't care about ordinary rules. Now comes the most satisfying yet terrifying part. They are pouring this burning liquid fire into the special sand molds. Honestly, watching this feels like they are trying to activate some ancient magical treasure from a movie. But let me clear your doubts. No genie is going to come out of this smoke. Only a heavy-duty truck brake drum will appear. Every single second matters here. If the pouring angle is slightly wrong, the whole drum will turn into a useless piece of junk, and all the hard work will go straight into the trash. After letting it cool down for a while, it's time for the big reveal. They are breaking the sand mold to take the raw drum out. And there you go. The royal feast is ready. Oh, sorry, I mean the brake drum is ready. Right now it looks pretty ugly, rough, and covered in black dust, just like our faces after a long day at work. It looks like a random piece of heavy stone right now, but wait for it. The real magic, the ultimate transformation, is about to begin in the next step when the big machines take over. Now the master technician has fixed the heavy drum onto the giant lathe machine. Look at that rotation. The machine is shaving off the rough edges so aggressively, it reminds me of how our mothers used to clean our attitude in childhood in front of our friends. Those sharp metal ribbons flying off are so satisfying to watch. Even the best hair barbers in the world cannot achieve this level of clean shaving. If you are stressed today, just look at this smooth metal turning shiny. Pure satisfaction, ultra-level peace. And finally, alhamdulillah, our heavy-duty truck brake drum is absolutely ready to hit the roads. Now this beautiful beast will be installed under a massive truck and will save it from flying off the mountain roads. If you truly appreciated the hard work of these local legends, and if you enjoyed our funny commentary, then please smash that subscribe button right now. Don't be lazy, do it, or else we might come and loose your vehicle's brakes tonight. See you in the next crazy manufacturing video. Take care, bye-bye, and Allah Hafiz.
Ang ledro te ko. Simple naman rin mo ito. Oh, ano na